say we kill some evil sons of bitches and we raise a little hell, huh?
Hey, see if they got any pie. Bring me some pie. Love me some pie.
That wasn't me.
Who put that there?
I'm Batman.
Yeah, you're Batman. Try New Mexico. I hear he's on a tortilla.
No, he's not on any flatbread. Some alien made you his bitch.
Silent night. Holy night. All is bright. Right round and round the table. Sam! Pudding!
All right, come on, you two.
Crazy works. Okay, yeah. I know. It's okay. Hey, look at me. It's okay. 'Cause you're my brother. And I still love you. Boop.
Santa's court. Can I escort your child to Santa?
No. But actually, my brother here, it's been a lifelong dream of his.
Sorry. No kids over 12?
No, he's just kidding. We only came here to watch.
Ew.
Oh, I didn't mean that we came here to...